Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the PineTales Sedona Vortex pillow. You can get this product for about $60. Check out the link in the description. The pillow comes with a set of 7 chakra crystals. The pillowcase is removable and very soft. The pillow is filled with 100% organic buckwheat hulls. You can easily adjust the pillow by removing or adding hulls. I removed a few of the buckwheat hulls to make the pillow more comfortable for me. The topographic map of Bell Rock is stitched into the fabric of the pillowcase. There are 2 pockets on the inner pillowcase for your favorite crystals and gemstones. I tested the pillow for about a week and I think it's a very nice product. It's very comfortable, easy to adjust, and the pillowcase is very easy to wash. So if you are looking for a great Sedona gift or just a very comfortable buckwheat pillow, I would recommend the PineTales Sedona Vortex pillow. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.